a lot of MSPs, they feel like they can't ask for more money because they think the client will leave, right? Um, I happen to have this type of practice where I would tell them on day one, my job is that you don't need me in 5 years, right? We're going through some kind of strategic pivot, right? But people come to the table with different value equations. In all those value equations, the client it brought you to the table and put you in an incredible position of authority and trust because they know you can do it and they know you're valuable, right? So this idea of not being able to raise prices, I think the only time your customer won't accept the price increase is if they really don't think you're valuable, right? Like,
Yeah.